Project Backup and Access Sharing. Philips MasterConnect Tutorial Video. The Philips MasterConnect app offers the capability to store user-created projects in the cloud. This feature allows users to access their projects even when a phone is lost and give project access to other contributors. When a project has been created or updated, the user will be prompted to upload the project to the cloud. Click on Upload to transfer local changes to the cloud. The app will display a progress bar indicating the status of the upload. Please remain patient and don't close the app while the upload is done. The app will confirm the upload with a small notification at the top of the screen. Your project has been successfully uploaded. To add new contributors to a project, open the Project Edit screen by clicking on the three dots at the top right after uploading that project. Select Edit Project from the list. Choose Invite More People and enter the email address of the user. Confirm by clicking the plus and invite. Save the changes by choosing Save. You have successfully invited a new user to the project. When opening the app, you will be prompted with an option to download changes to your phone. Click Download from the project screen or choose the Sync button in the left-hand menu. Select the project you want to download and confirm by clicking Sync again. Wait while the project is being downloaded to your device. The app will confirm the download with a notification on the top part of the screen. You have successfully uploaded a project to the cloud, invited a new user, and downloaded onto another phone. Please note that when uploading a project, the local changes will overwrite the status in the cloud, and when downloading a project, the local status of the project will be overwritten.
Philips.